YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today we're going to be doing a couple unboxing videos. The first one that I have on the block are PSR levers. Right now we're in the middle of a budget cafe racer build, so we're getting a bunch of parts in, parts that people typically are going to be interested in because they might be on the cheaper side, or it's parts they haven't purchased before, but at any rate, we have PSR levers. Initial impression on the packaging. The box, that you can tell they spent some money having these made. You can tell they care about the quality of the item, especially making sure it arrives safe. When you're looking at the packaging, you can see that the lever's not going to go flying around. When you initially pull the lever out, it is a good quality lever. That's one thing, especially on this cafe racer build we're doing, that we're not cheaping out on, is the levers. These things will run you somewhere around $100 a piece, but a lever is something you have to spend money on. These are roll-click, so they do have the 6 points of adjustment. They are adjust on the fly. You just lift the lever away and adjust wherever you want. Changes your pull point. Makes it a really nice feature for any bike you're riding. One thing that did come in the box was a sticker as well. It's one of our favorite things about getting parts is getting stickers to put on the toolboxes. So if you're looking for levers and you buy PSRs, you also get a free sticker with them. One thing to be warned with the PSRs, they are sold individually. There are some companies out there that will pre-package clutch and brake together, but you're going to be buying, typically you're going to be buying your clutch and your front brake levers separately, so just be aware of that if you are shopping for these. But anyways, thank you so much, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.